Can you say Grandpa?
Papa,
Can you say Papa?
Papa,
Can you say Mimi?
Mimi,
Can you say Gigi?
Gigi,
Can you say Aiden?
Mimi,
Say it again. Aiden.
Mimi,
Can you say Ethan?
Eddie,
Can you say Auntie Joe?
Gigi,
Auntie Joe? Can you say Barack Obama?
Dada,
Can you say Uncle Drew? Can you say Aunt Erin? Can you say Uncle Jeremy?
Uncle.
Can you say Uncle Johnny?
Can you say Katie? That's
Yeah.
pretty close.
Can you say... Did we miss anybody?
Rick Steves?
Say bye.
Can you blow a kiss?
Oh.